I think most people have no idea how much handwork and mental calculations are required to build these sinks. My foreman is incredible. He calculates all these tiny little dimensions and angles, and when this thing is folded up, if it's a 1/16 of an inch off, it's scrap. We start with a flat piece of metal, and it's cut into shape, and then the sides and different portions of it are bent up to create the shape of a sink. Then it goes to a welder who welds the inside and the outside. Then it goes to Lori, who does all the patina work. And the cool thing about it is they love what they do. They're very proud of what they do. They sign every single sink that leaves here, as do I. I find it critically important to speak to every single person that invests in my company. I feel that if I'm not doing that, I'm not giving my best, and that's all I want to do. My true goal is to make it work better. But I'm always trying to find, as my father used to say when I was young, an easier way of doing things, okay? I hate with a passion wasting time. So if I can find a way to save a minute that's repeated over and over and over again, I'm doing it. That's what brings me here with joy every day.